backgrounds or your different types of profile pictures or logos, brands. And if you make a profile photo of a group or thumbnail of YouTube or your WhatsApp group, it has the dimensions and it can you can do it from the app. And so let's jump into it, and in this I will tell you some points I want to discuss with you and about that app. So let's jump into it. So we are here in our laptop, and this is the website, and I provided the link in description, and I will let you create a design. For example, recommended, social media, events, marketing, documents. You can design a letter, video, and scroll. For example, some worksheets or presentation worksheets, and personal invitation card, Instagram story. I made from this, and logos, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, Instagram posts, YouTube channel arts, posters, presentations. You can all get it from here. So first we will design this video's thumbnail and YouTube thumbnail, and we will select a background. So first, this is the template: music, YouTube thumbnail, beauty thumbnail, tutorial thumbnail, travel thumbnail, all results. And first I go to photos, and I background, and I use backgrounds from here. And for example, I viewed this, and much more. So first we will make you can upload an image. For example, this, and I will take this picture over here, and I will select the photos. You can also add the photos from here. So first we will search photo editor. So we will click this, that what is your topic about, and I am doing, for example, canvas, some man drawing canvas. So this is our background. Now we will click this over here. This is our remove our set images background, and we will do like this, and we will go to transparency of this, and we will do it 0. We will do it to 28, for example. And now we will go to texts, and we will this is the add a heading, and for example it's doing. So first we will type here we will backspace it, and we will do like how to make stunning to make. Then we will enter how to make. So we will do it make. We will do it like this. And how to make, we will do like this. How to make stunning, we will stunning photos, and we will make it big, and we will do like this, how to make stunning videos. And we will take a, for example, I am using Canva, and I am also editing from Canva. So Canva, we will go to Canva logo, and we will do like this images, and we will do like this. For example, this is Canva, or I will select this. I will save image that I save in it. I have made a drive where I save it. Informative in my E drive. I will do this like this, and I will download that. We will Canva. I have saved like this, and we will go here, and we will go to uploads, and I have missed a thing. We can also copy image, and we will go like this, and here we will go click Ctrl, and we will paste, or you can also left click and paste. So I have the Canva here, and I can use it like this. This I will upload this thumbnail. Canva here, and how to make stunning photos, Canva. And I will just like this, and this is my how to make stunning photos, easy tutorial, or easy learning editor. So we will go to text, we will click easy learning software. It's easy. Look, it's easy now. So we will do like this, and like this, and we will download it. Download, and it's downloading. And this was our video. Please like, subscribe, and share our video. And one thing I wanna tell you, that this video I am showing you the video. This is a YouTube studio, and I am showing you one video. The previous video, in that I am telling you about my some games, and I will re-upload it because it was so much mis-edited by me, and I will re-upload it. I will delete from there and I will re-upload it, so you please watch that video again, and it will be edited and I will now show and in the scratch video some parts of the video was muted because by editing mistake it was done. So you please do like this, as you can do it for tutorials I have sent you. So please like, subscribe and share our videos, and meet you in next video. Allah Hafiz.